We're here at Ross's engine shop and he's just finished my cylinder head for the Mazda 323. Alright Ross, tell me what you were telling me.
Just pre-COVID, the parts were a bit better quality. Now they're just trying to get them out as fast, trying to catch up. Because during COVID they had so many parts they couldn't make because everybody was at home.
Yep.
So they had to ramp up production, and production means the quality goes down. So that's basically what's happened. So with yours, being an older car, these are older valves, so they're old stock. So they're good quality, materials are good.
Mean. So that's good news then for us here at the Seagull 323 channel. Ross has given it the big tick of approval and he's done fantastic work putting it all together. So if you're looking for someone to do good work, come and see Ross because he'll take good care of you. Well, we're back at the Big Galley's garage. Reason to celebrate, obviously. Simo's gone. So now we can get down to some real football. On a side note, we're going to look through some of these parts a little bit more closely and see what Big Ross has done for us. Very good work. And also Rick over at Engine Engineering with the flywheel as well. So I'll just quickly show you. Right, so we'll look at Ross's handiwork first. Now, I cleaned this, but he also gave it a bit of a clean too, and he's put it in a bag for me. Super professional guy, very switched on, highly knowledgeable, highly recommend. The cylinder head work, I should say. Alright, so you can see he's fully reassembled. Cleaned everything. Rocker arms, inserted the new lifters, cleaned up the camshaft for me, put that all back in, put in my new valve springs, new valves, both sides. It's looking amazing. This is a brand new cylinder head too, so as I said, we didn't work on refurbishing the original. That's going to come at a later date and that will be sent to Ross. But as I have alluded in other videos, that's going to go rally spec. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, we'll just put that back on and keep it nice and protected until we're ready with the block. Now Rick from Engine Engineering, the same guy who cleaned up my block and also assembled my pistons, he's also machined and cleaned my flywheel too, so I've picked that up. Thank you very much, Rick, over at Engine Engineering. I've dropped the well, not links, but probably pictures and all the contact details and where to find those guys. Now, as I have said before, I'm not sponsored. I'm self-funded. I'm doing everything off my own bat. But I'm putting it out here for you BG lovers, and I know there's millions of you. You're just hiding. But like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because I am going to keep going with this car. The engine's going to be rebuilt to standard spec, and then the engine that comes out is going to get the spiciness. So all the forged parts internal, and that will end up probably more than likely having a blow-through turbo and going to a rally spec. But we're talking a long time, no, maybe not a long time, but in the near future. So we'll get this car back up to running, and we'll also get this trailer going as well. And because there's another project in the back burner ready to make an appearance, and that may mean an alter ego comes out of retirement.
What the heck?
Let me tell you something. There's only enough room for one alter ego on this channel. And if that ostentatious man or El Pervo turns up,